Exercise 3. Take a soft cloth, fold it this way, stretch your leg, affected leg, keep the cloth at the center of the foot, affected foot, then pull the cloth towards you. In this position, you can feel the pressure at the heel portion. Keep it like this for 2 minutes and relax. Again pull the cloth towards you. Keep it for 2 minutes and relax. This is exercise 3 to strengthen the tendons in the foot.
Show once again. చూపించండి సార్.
Relax, stretch.